Greetings students, and welcome to the tutorial video for part C of our puzzle cube pieces. Remember, we're going to create each one of these puzzle cube pieces using Autodesk Inventor, and that each cube measures 3/4 by 3/4. Now these videos are going to start going a little bit faster as we have more experience. Hopefully you will not need or require as much assistance from these videos. In this particular video, we're going to pay some extra attention to anchoring our starting point. So as we go to Inventor, we're going to come up here and we're going to find Inventor right here, and we'll give it a moment to load. Hopefully it'll load pretty quickly. Remember, all of our puzzle cube pieces will be created as parts. So when I choose part and I let the program catch up with me, the first thing we're going to do is create a 2D sketch of this part C. So on Inventor, right up here is Start 2D Sketch. I'm going to choose the XY plane. And as I mentioned earlier, we're going to pay some more attention to where we start. And when I click on the line, instead of just starting anywhere, I'm going to click on this yellow dot in the middle of the screen, and when I move my mouse over it, it'll turn green. But when I click there, it will anchor or fix my line to that point. And now I'm just going to work my way around the shape, being approximately the right distance. I don't want you to spend a lot of time worrying about exact shape and size, because we can fix all of that with the dimensions later. So as I work my way around the shape, I'm not worried about the actual dimensions, I'm just trying to get close. And once I finish, once I get to the end right here, I'm ready to put on my dimensions. So the dimension tool is right up here, and as I've mentioned in the other videos, start with the largest distances. Go ahead and make it say 3 if you want to. My greatest distances, the biggest distances, are what we call the overall width and the overall height of the part. Then I'm just going to add the dimensions that I know we need. And remember, each cube is 0.75. So as I work my way around, I can just fill in these distances. I know that this one is supposed to be 0.75. 3/4 of an inch is 0.75. This one should be 0.75. And notice as I put these dimensions on there, it's going to start turning purple. And what that simply means is that it is locked in place. It is dimensioned. And so as I add these measurements on there, more and more of the shape should be turning purple and locking this part into place. Once the entire part is purple, that means that we have all the dimensions we need. I can click on Finish Sketch. Use the scroll wheel to zoom out. Use the scroll wheel as a button to click and drag if you want to. And the final step is to use Extrude, that same distance, 0.75 for the thickness of our part. And then I want to make it look like the puzzle piece. This one is purple, so I click right up here and I find somewhere on here, probably down here in the bottom, here's something called smooth purple, and that'll work real nicely. And that is it for part C. Thank you for watching. May the force be with you.